Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses. Our question is, a cell phone was sold at a loss of 25% if it had been purchased at 20% less and sold for rupees 132 more. The profit would have been 16 whole and 2 upon 3%. Find the cost price of the cell phone. The given options are option A 800, option B 720, option C 650, option D 700. This is one specific question in which you have to learn what to assume the cost price. Here we are not assuming the cost price to be 100 and we are going to assume some different number. Why we are assuming that number, you will learn when I solve this question. 25% when expressed in fraction comes out to be 1 upon 4. Here 25% is 1%, 20% is another percent, and 20% when expressed in fraction comes out to be 1 upon 5. Another percent given in this question is 16 whole and 2 upon 3%. This when expressed comes out to be 1 upon 6. Now, if we had assumed cost price to be 100, then 1 upon 6 or 16 whole and 2 upon 3% comes out to be 16.67, or it's a mixed fraction. And we are not going to get the whole number if we assume 100. Then what we should assume? We should assume the number which is LCM of 4, 5 and 6. And the LCM of these three numbers is 60. So we assume cost price to be 60. Here if we assume 60, then we will not be facing any fractional number in calculation. So we assume the cost price to be 60 units, and it is given that the cell phone was sold at a loss of 25%. So I write minus 25% of 60. 25% is 1/4 and 1/4 of 60 is 15. So if we subtract 15 from 60, then selling price comes out to be 45 units. Now the next condition given to us is if it had been purchased at 20% less. So 20%, I write minus 20%, and 20% is 1 upon 5th. 1 upon 5th of 60 is 12. And when we subtract 12 from 60, we get 48. Then new cost price would have been 48 if it had been purchased at 20% less. And it's given that if it is sold for rupees 132 more, the profit would have been 16 and 2 upon 3%. So we add 16 and 2 upon 3% on 48. So I write plus 16 and 2 upon 3%, which is 1/6. 1/6 of 48 is 8. And we add 8 to 48, which comes out to be 56. Then new selling price comes out to be 56 unit, and the difference between the old selling price and new selling price is equal to 56 minus 45 is 11. So this is 11 units, and this is given to us is equal to 132. So 11 units equal to rupees 132. Therefore 60 units, which is our assumed cost price, equal to 132 multiplied by 60 divided by 11. 11 divides 132 for 12 times, and 12 times 60 is 720. Thus the cost price of the cell phone was rupees 720, and from the given options Our answer is option B, rupees 720. This way we have to think what we should assume as our cost price. Sometimes it is not advisable to assume cost price to be 100. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.